I think anybody who's interested in the environment is naturally tends toward thinking about solar and thinking about other ways of doing things, trying to avoid burning fossil fuels. As long as I've been here, people have been talking about it, kicking around the idea, investigating whether it was practical. And we didn't come up with anything that we thought was practical until recently.
Koinonia had reached out to us perhaps 2 years ago, expressing interest in solar power. However, when we started looking at it, we found out they had like 20 different meters throughout their whole farm. They didn't have the capital to invest in it. But then as we set out to find companies that could finance this project, we realized that there's a lot of companies that finance solar systems for homes, and there are others that finance solar systems for larger corporate installations. But that area between residential and large commercial, there's really no established source of financing for those projects.
They brought us to the attention of Georgia Interfaith Power and Light and suggested we pursue a grant. And they ended up basically financing the installation.
So they're going to see a 20% reduction in the energy they're consuming from the grid for that particular location. When you look at what we built for Koinonia, relatively small system compared to larger commercial systems, but it still is equivalent to having planted 17,000 trees.
As I walk around and I look at those panels, of course, it makes me smile, but the deepest reaction I have is gratitude. It just makes me deeply, deeply grateful.